5-minute easy plug play. 1-to-1 same design as halogen, all-in-one designed without external driver and connector. Non-polarity socket, connected just like halogen bulbs without any tools, no worry about external driver too big to install or connector break. 300% brighter than original headlights. Ditch your dim yellow halogens and make way for 6500K bright white 26,000 lumens 110W high power gives you the best horizons on the road, 3 times brighter let you driving confident at night. Perfect beam pattern. Super focus beam pattern ensures bright light illuminates while does not glare oncoming drivers, improving the driving experience. Ultra-thin chip carrier reduces dark spots. 20 years lifespan. Built-in high-speed and powerful fan to cool down the H11 HB3 LED headlight combo efficiently. Maintain suitable temperature to avoid damage caused by overheating. Ensure more than 50,000 hours long lifespan and keep your headlights running at optimum brightness at all times. 99% vehicles adaptability. NOVSIGHT 9005 H11 LED headlight bulbs combo compatible with most vehicles, since DRL share the same bulbs with 9005 bulbs. After install LED bulbs, DRL may flicking due to low voltage. CAN bus decoder may be required to prevent flicking. Please don't worry about any problems for our lights, we have 2 years warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Very bright, and yet not disturbing to motorist ahead. The brightness angle helps to see any animal, especially deers, at night.